Hey guys, today I am preparing pumpkin ugali. Have you ever tasted? First I am going to cut into manageable pieces. Then I peel off the skin. And as usual, I won't throw the seeds. We'll roast and eat as snack. Then cut into small pieces and put them in a cooking pot. Then we'll wash them and transfer in another cooking pot. Add some water and put on fire. Then we'll cover. It has started cooking. Cover again. It's almost there. Now we'll taste with a fork. It's ready. We'll remove it and set them aside to cool a bit. Then start mashing until soft. You can use a cooking stick, fork or masher. It's okay so long as the consistency is good. I like this consistency. Let's get to the next step. We'll add 4 tablespoons of sugar to add some yummy taste. And it's optional. You don't have to use it, especially if you don't consume sugar. Then we'll start mixing nicely until everything mixes so well. Then we'll add some ugali flour or corn flour and continue mixing. Add a little more flour, mix until it hardens a bit. It's cooked, we'll serve. Doesn't it look amazing? You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Meanwhile, let me cut mine and taste. I served very hot. Wow, it's so umalicious! Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching!